Hedera bar value expectation January 2024. Concerning January 2024, Hedera cost certainly is checked to essentially show up at a most negligible possible level of 0.18. The bar cost could explicitly show up at a most kind of outrageous possible level of 0.20, with the commonplace gauge cost of 0.20. Which by and large is genuinely huge. Hedera bar value estimate February 2024. For February, the expense of Hedera basically is expected to fundamentally show up at a common month-to-month outright uttermost scopes of 0.20, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0.21 and something like 0.20 for the most part, in opposition to mainstream thinking Hedera value expectation. In a real sense, WOC 2024, the expense of Hedera fundamentally is expected to truly reach in any event, commonly worth of 0.20 in 2024, in a significant manner the bar cost could for the most part show up at a biggest by and large worth of 0.22, with the common trading cost of 0.21 all through 2024, which certainly is genuinely critical. Hedera value conjecture April 2024, the in every practical sense typical expense of Hedera bar could commonly go to 0.22 toward April's end, in a significant manner bar could explicitly be trading around a generally in every way that really matters outrageous, certainly worth of 0.23. With the base expected cost of 0.21, which essentially is very huge. Hedera value expectation May 2024, the expense of Hedera most certainly is expected to arrive at in any event, all goals and purposes, worth of 0.21 in 2024. Amazingly, the bar cost could fundamentally show up at a biggest truly worth of 0.24. With the ordinary trading cost of 0.22 all through 2024, which basically is very critical. Bar value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the expense of not set in stone to in every way that really matters be at around a base exceptionally worth of 0.22 or so they by and large thought the Hedera esteem essentially worth can show up at a restriction of 0.25, with the commonplace trading pretty worth of 0.23 and USD in an unpretentious way. Bar value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the expense of Hedera sort still up in the air to in every way that really matters be at around a base worth of 0.22. In an unpretentious manner the Hedera esteem genuinely worth can sort of show up at a restriction of 0.26, with the run-of-the-mill trading genuinely worth of 0.23 in USD or so. They explicitly thought Hedera bar value conjecture. August 2024. For August, the expense of Hedera sort of is expected to show up at a normal month-to-month outright uttermost basically reaches of 0.24, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.27 and no less than 0.23. In a significant manner bar value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the expense of Hedera certainly is gauged to sort of be at around a base certainly worth of 0.24 in a by and large significant manner the Hedera esteem truly worth can truly show up at a constraint of 0.28. With the normal trading sort of worth of 0.24 in USD or so, they thought Hedera value forecast October 2024, the expense of Hedera in a real sense. Matter experts and business inspectors Hedera can cause an uproar in and out of town cost of 0.67 till 2030. Is Hedera worth buying in 2024? In a kind of significant manner Hedera's by and large worth for the most part should continue to develop, as lack will and especially broad engage cost rise, which certainly is genuinely huge in the event that it's not excessively especially much difficulty. Note there in every practical sense, is a bet to any endeavor in an unobtrusive manner. Basically especially put assets into what you can accomplish before showing up at any goals and extremely direct, the best investigation possible in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hedera value figure January 2025, the by and large typical expense of Hedera bar could sort of go to 0.28 toward January's end, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bar could generally be trading around a biggest especially worth of 0.29. With the base expected cost of 0.26 Hedera value estimate February 2025, the truly typical expense of Hedera bar could go to 0.29 toward February's end or so they thought bar could generally be trading around an undoubtedly outrageous pretty worth of 0.31, with the base expected cost of 0.28. Showing how Hedera bar value estimate December 2024 for December, the expense of Hedera truly is expected to fundamentally show up at a run-of-the-mill month-to-month, kind of the farthest essentially reaches of 0.27, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.31 and at particularly the least 0.26. What will be Hedera really worth in 2024? In a truly significant manner Hedera bar value expectation, sort of walk 2025. As for fundamentally walk 2025 Hedera cost, for the most part is guessed to sort of show up at a most insignificant possible level of 0.29. The bar cost could really show up at a most especially outrageous possible level of 0.32, with the commonplace guess cost of 0.30. In an unobtrusive manner Hedera bar value conjecture April 2025 for April, the expense of Hedera basically is expected to sort of show up at a regular month-to-month, particularly the uttermost sort of ranges of 0.31, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.34 and its sort of the least 0.30. Which essentially is very critical Hedera bar value expectation, May 2025, concerning May 2025 Hedera cost basically is gauged to show up at a most decreased possible level of 0.30. In a really significant manner, the bar cost could generally show up at a most kind of outrageous possible level of 0.35, with the ordinary figure cost of 0.32. In a quite huge manner Hedera value forecast June 2025, the expense of Hedera essentially is expected to truly arrive at in any event of 0.31 in 2025, in a fundamentally enormous manner, the bar cost could show up at a generally in every way that really matters outrageous all things considered worth of 0.36, with the commonplace trading cost of 0.33. All through 2025 or so, they thought Hedera bar value estimate July 2025 for July, the expense of Hedera in every practical sense, is expected to sort of show up at a run-of-the-mill month-to-month, especially the farthest generally reaches of 0.34, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.38 and at sort of the least 0.33 in a for the most part significant manner Hedera value gauge August 2025, the really ordinary expense of Hedera bar could go to 0.35 toward August's end in an unpretentious manner, bar could be trading around a biggest kind of worth of 0.39 with the base expected cost of 0.33. Which generally is very huge Hedera bar value estimate September 2025 for September, the expense of Hedera in every way that